Grade 2 Braille is a huge game changer. It makes it so you no longer have to spell out every single letter when spelling out words. It can save you so much time. My name's Angela and I'm a visually impaired designer. Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to go over Grade 2 Braille alphabetical word signs. Now what this means is every letter of the alphabet, excluding I, O, and A, are assigned a word to represent that letter. It's a shorthand word or it's a contraction so that you don't have to spell the whole thing. This saves a lot of time when you're writing out Braille. And the way you can tell it's a word sign is when a letter is by itself with spaces on both sides of that letter. And if there's anything before or after it without spaces, then it represents something else. So you have to be super careful when you're typing it out that you make sure there's a space on both sides. I have found that Grade 2 Braille is a huge game changer. It makes it so you no longer have to spell out every single letter when spelling out words. It can save you so much time. So this video is the first of many videos that I'll be putting out helping teach you Grade 2 Braille. So make sure to subscribe to my channel below so that you can be notified when I put out the future videos teaching Grade 2 Braille. Alright, so we're going to jump into the video, but first I wanted to clarify, at this point, before you learn these word signs, you should already know the Braille alphabet. So I'll make sure to link my video teaching the alphabet below, so you can go watch that and then come back when you're ready to learn this Grade 2 Braille. You're really going to need to know the alphabet before this is going to be helpful to you. Alright, so first I'm going to teach you the word signs without showing the Braille cells along with it, so that you can focus on which word is associated with each letter.
A is a. B is but. C is can. D is do. E is every. F is from. G is go. H is have. J is just. K is knowledge. L is like. M is more. N is not. P is people. Q is quite. R is rather. S is so. T is that. U is us. V is very. W is will. X is it. Y is you. And Z is as.
Now that we've gone over all the word signs, let's go over them again, but this time we're going to put the Braille cells with them so you can make that connection.
A is a, dot 1. B is but, dots 1 and 2. C is can, dots 1 and 4. D is do, dots 1, 4, and 5. E is every, dots 1 and 5. F is from, dots 1, 2, and 4. G is go, dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. H is have, dots 1, 2, and 5. J is just, dots 2, 4, and 5. K is knowledge, dots 1 and 3. L is like, dots 1, 2, and 3. M is more, dots 1, 3, and 4. N is not, dots 1, 3, 4, and 5. P is people, dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. Q is quite, dots 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. R is rather, dots 1, 2, 3, and 5. S is so, dots 2, 3, and 4. T is that, dots 2, 3, 4, and 5. U is us, dots 1, 3, and 6. V is very, dots 1, 2, 3, and 6. W is will, dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. X is it, dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. Y is you, dots 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Z is as, dots 1, 3, 5, and 6.
Alright, so now let's see how well you can remember them. I'm going to show the Braille cells and I'll tell you what dots they are. So follow along and try to say out loud what word is associated with the Braille cells.
Dot 1. A is dot 1. Dots 1 and 2. B is but, dots 1 and 2. Dots 1 and 4. C is can, dots 1 and 4. Dots 1, 4, and 5. D is do, dots 1, 4, and 5. Dots 1 and 5. E is every, dots 1 and 5. Dots 1, 2, and 4. F is from, dots 1, 2, and 4. Dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. G is go, dots 1, 2, 4, and 5. Dots 1, 2, and 5. H is have, dots 1, 2, and 5. Dots 2, 4, and 5. J is just, dots 2, 4, and 5. Dots 1 and 3. K is knowledge, dots 1 and 3. Dots 1, 2, and 3. L is like, dots 1, 2, and 3. Dots 1, 3, and 4. M is more, dots 1, 3, and 4. Dots 1, 3, 4, and 5. N is not, dots 1, 3, 4, and 5. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. P is people, dots 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dots 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Q is quite, dots 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 5. R is rather, dots 1, 2, 3, and 5. Dots 2, 3, and 4. S is so, dots 2, 3, and 4. Dots 2, 3, 4, and 5. T is that, dots 2, 3, 4, and 5. Dots 1, 3, and 6. U is us, dots 1, 3, and 6. Dots 1, 2, 3, and 6. V is very, dots 1, 2, 3, and 6. Dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. W is will, dots 2, 4, 5, and 6. Dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. X is it, dots 1, 3, 4, and 6. Dots 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Y is you, dots 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Dots 1, 3, 5, and 6. And Z is as, dots 1, 3, 5, and 6.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it helped you get a good start on learning grade 2 Braille. Make sure to like and comment on this video if you enjoyed it and want to see more like it. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified anytime that I post videos about Braille or anything that's visual impairment or design related. I hope that you all have a fantastic day. Bye!